How to delete from library on YouTube TV. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to delete from your library on your YouTube TV account. So first of all you have to do is just simply go to your preferred browser, and after that just simply type tv.youtube.com and you will be landed to the official website of YouTube TV. And once you're there in the YouTube TV account, just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you're logged in into your YouTube TV account, in order to delete your playlist or the things that you're watching in your YouTube TV from the library, all you have to do is just simply locate the top menu. Over there you will be able to see three different options which says library, home and live. So in order to delete item from your library, you need to click on the library section, which is the first option. Just simply click on it, and in the library section you can see all the items or the things that you have watched in the past or you're currently watching. And in order to delete them, you just simply have to play that particular item or the series or TV that you are watching, and just finish them till the end while making cuts and using your scroller. And once you have completed the watching list or the history of the series or movie that you are watching, the series or the movies that you are watching will automatically be deleted from the library of your YouTube TV account. So this is basically how you will be able to delete from library on YouTube TV. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.